and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be making another SFX makeup look that actually I've been wanting to do for the past few weeks now, and finally it's here. Alright, so my cat obviously wanted to play with me while filming, so I just have to give this a little treat before actually getting started. Alright, so let's get started using this tissue paper and glue as well, and we're gonna be using this card deck in here. Alright, so we're gonna get started now using the Elmer's glue or school glue that I have in here. We're just gonna be making a little line right here in my forehead where we are going to attach the tissue paper as well. And as you guys can see, I actually attach two tissue papers right here, or two strips of tissue paper. Reason for that is so that we can have like an opening for the cards that I'll be applying on my forehead. And of course, don't forget to apply some school glue as well on that opening so that we can have the card attached onto it. And make sure that when you cut the playing cards, you're gonna have to make like a little curve that will actually fit into the curve of your forehead as well. That is for it to fit in properly and so that it won't fall when you actually attach something onto it. And of course, we are also going to be applying some more tissue paper on the sides of the card. It will actually act like a binder for the cards and my skin at the same time, so it's not going to fall out. Alright, and to add a little bit more details onto your face, apply another curved card onto your face. I'm actually doing this on my cheek on the right. I'm also going to be making just a very small card onto it because I don't want to overdo it, and of course just to make it more realistic somehow. Just like what we have done on the other card on my forehead, we're going to be applying some more glue onto it and some more tissue paper that will act as a binder for the card and on my skin at the same time, so it's not going to fall out when you apply some makeup onto it. And of course, before applying foundation, make sure that this is completely dry so that it won't stick onto your makeup brush. I am actually using a foundation that is almost the same as my skin tone. I'm running out of material because there's nowhere that I can actually get some with the situation that we have here in the Philippines, but luckily there are still online options, although it's taking some time to actually be delivered to my mail, but that's totally fine. Alright, and to mat this off, I'm going to pat some dry or loose powder onto it, just so that we can remove all the oiliness that came from the foundation that we just applied. That way, it'll be easier for us to actually apply eyeshadows onto it. And I'm just going to blend the sides as well to make it look more realistic and as if the tissue paper is part of my skin as well. Of course, we are going to apply some eyeshadow. Forgive me, I thought my camera is rolling when I started applying eyeshadow, but it's not, so I'm so sorry about that. But anyways, the colors that I'm actually using in here is in shade of maroon, black, and brown eyeshadow from my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. So I'm just actually blending this out. I've been doing this color combination for quite a while now, for almost all of the SFX videos that I've been doing, so I'm sure that you guys know how to do this already. And just like what I've been always saying, do not use bright red because that doesn't look natural at all. Alright, And once you are completely satisfied with the eyeshadow that you have applied on your face, it's about time to apply fake blood only on the openings where your card and your skin actually meet. That is where you will have to apply the fake blood. I'm not going to be overdoing this. I just really wanted to make this very simple and realistic at the same time. And there you have it. This is the finished look for my SFX makeup for today. I hope you guys like it. If you have any comments, suggestion, or requests that you may wanted me to do in the future, just comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for you to be notified once I uploaded a new content. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!